Here's a recipe that's been requested by one user for a very long time. For various reasons, the shoot kept getting delayed. So finally, this video is dedicated to you. I had never eaten Thai Basil Fried Rice before. So first, we ordered it and tried it out to understand the taste. Next, we asked a couple of chefs for the recipe. And you know what we found? The recipe isn't that complex. It just has two unique ingredients: Thai chili paste and basil leaves. So we ordered this roasted Thai chili paste which costs around 800 rupees. உங்களால எனக்கு 1000 ரூபாய் நஷ்டம். ஒரு கோடி நீ பார்த்த. ஆமாப்பா ஒரு கோடி. But we found out that you can actually make this at home and for very cheap. So let me show you how. The other main ingredient is Thai basil. So this might be a little difficult to find, so you can use this Italian basil like how we did. The flavors of both are very similar, but the Thai basil is a little more spicier than this one. One mistake that a lot of people make in fried rice is overcooking the rice. So once you soak the rice, boil it in hot water for only 3 to 4 minutes and then cool it down completely. So when you toss the rice, it comes out just like a restaurant's, all fluffy and separated. So here you go, Thai Basil Fried Rice. So now that you've also seen the effort that goes behind each recipe, please do try it out. It's definitely worth it. If you have any other recipe requests, do send them to us and we'll gladly do them for you. Happy cooking!